Hello and welcome in this tutorial. I would like to show you in this tutorial how you can make high quality glows over objects with just a few mouse clicks. I will send that to back, I will change the color, and boom, we have a different glow behind my object. This can be used behind objects, behind icons, behind anything to create a glow effect in PowerPoint, which we can't do with the original glow effect we have here. Hello there, so I had this cool idea to create this kind of glow effect around our objects with a gradient. Normally, I would select an object, I would go to Format, I would go to Shape Effects, Glow, and I would try to work with the glow to get a little glow around here. But what if I would use a gradient behind it, which will fade off the further it goes away? Okay, at first you would need an object. So I'll select, I could even copy this object, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, because I want a circular shape, and I would make this shape bigger with my Shift key and left Control key. So I make it equally big. Okay, now it's bigger. Now I do not want the outline here, so I'll go right click, Format Shape. In the line options I'll select No Line. In the fill options I'll select Gradient. Okay, we have the big gradient, and the big gradient has to go behind this object. Right click, send to back, send backward, or send entirely to back. Okay, now how to work with the gradient. You see on the right side we have the gradient colors, and let's select the colors we would like to use. Perhaps we could use those colors, but we could also create our own gradient. So let me just freestyle here. I'll go to more colors and I'll make a yellowish gradient. Or an orange one. Okay, I'll start with an orange, and you see what happens. The gradient goes from top to bottom. Now I want it to spread from the middle outwards. I need to adjust this right away. So in the direction, or sorry, not linear, I want to select radial in the type, and then the direction from middle. Okay, perfect. We have this gradient, and you see what's happening here. We have the orange gradient like this. You can see it there, and the outer gradient, my idea is to use the same color as the background is. I'll just click here, select the eyedropper, and select the very same color. If you can't select this color because your PowerPoint version is older, you can always go here, color, more colors, and you can insert the RGB values. Now, this looks totally weird, doesn't it? Do not worry, because you can take the second color and get closer with it. You see what I wanted to achieve? Now the color blurs itself, it fades off, and we have something like this. You see, here it looks weird, but behind this object, it looks like a high quality glow. And what's great here, I can select the first color. I can make the color more transparent to make the color like less vibrant, less strong. And I can also click on this color, more colors, and now I can work with it without any problems. You want a blue one? Okay, blue, no problem. Look how beautiful. And the middle stays as it is, because the middle is filled out with the same color as the background. As I go to Format, you see, this is just a filled shape. Something like this could be simply copied over to other objects, Ctrl+V, and used the same way. Now, my mistake is here the different background color. I would just adjust this color, eyedropper, select the background color, and look how beautiful. I would of course send it to back. I would of course make it yellow because this is a light bulb. And how beautiful is that? Now I need to select it somehow. Sorry, Ctrl+Z, the orange color. Okay, let's make it bigger. Boom. And what's even better, we can take this object, we can select the second color and make the second color completely transparent. If we make it completely transparent, look at this. Now we could even right click, save this as picture, as a PNG picture, and let's say that you are creating a new slide. I am creating a new slide, I have a new icon, I just take the picture or the shape, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, I place it here, I send it of course to back, I would make it smaller in this case, and boom. You are achieving flashy backgrounds in seconds. So I think this is a really creative way of using PowerPoint, and we don't need to use this stupid glow anymore because this works far better.